Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome back to Google Classroom. Today student we will continue our 5.2, the remaining 3 questions. Inshallah we will do this and we will complete our syllabus. Done? Hope all are doing good, everything is going fine, and I am accepting that all students should be joined live lecture. If you have any kind of queries or doubt, you can clear in that section. Okay? Soon we will complete our algebra portion. We will go to next start with the geometry. Done beta? See fourth question. Already 3 questions we have completed. Now we go fourth question. The total number of lion and peacock in a zoo, certain zoo is 50. Now we having two different things. We have to go for the two variables, right? So what we are going to write here? Let the number of lion. First lion is there. We will put X and the number of peacock by. Now we will going to take our condition. You know now, according to the condition always we have to make the equation. Done? So what is that? In a zoo we have peacocks and lion, that is 50. 50 we have to go. So X plus Y equals to 50. That is my first equation. Now I will go for according to second condition. Okay. Now what is second condition? See, the total number of legs is 140. Their legs, lion and peacocks के legs को मिला के 140. So now we will consider lion has how many legs? Lion has 4 legs and come on, peacock has 2 legs. So according to second condition, lion means x, so 4x plus 2y equals to 140. Done? Now student, can I make this equation in reduced form? Yes, we can do that one. So I will dividing, okay, both sides by 2. So 2x plus 2 divided by 2 we will get 1. 2 sevens are 40. So that is my equation number 2. That is my equation number 2. Now see, I have y and y. In both the equation my y terms are equal and I have similar sign. When I have similar sign, so I will going to do subtracting. So I will do here subtracting equation 1 and 2. So what is my first equation? X plus y equals to 40. My second equation I have come this 2x plus y equals to 70. Subtracting, obviously I have to change the sign of second equation, leave one line. Done? So what happened? This sign is forgotten. Plus minus minus. I will get minus 1x y because bigger number sign is in minus. Okay, here I will get 20 and minus can cancel, therefore the value of x equals to 20. When I get the value of x, we can get the value of y also. How? I can do substituting, or I can put, or I can replace. Okay, anything you can write. Substituting the value of x equals to 20 in equation number, I have two equations, 1 and 2. In any of them you can put. So I have easy one, that is 1. I will put in the equation number 1. So since, or that is, what is my equation number 1? X plus y equals to 50. So now student, instead of x I will put 20. Okay. So y is equal to 50 minus 20. Because plus are in the positive, I will take to the right hand side, it will be negative. So I got 30. Done? Now what we have to find? We have to find the number of lions and peacocks in zoo. So therefore, write the statement. The number of lions in a zoo is how many? 20, right? And number of peacock in a zoo is 30. So I will go for the next question. First student. Okay. Now we will go for the student question number 5. Okay. You can pause the video and you can see the that sums and complete it. Okay. We will go for the question number 5. See, Sanjay get fixed monthly income. Obviously, the salary is fixed. The income of salary is always fixed. Okay, and every year a certain increment in his salary. Obviously, salary is fixed, but increment always happening in the every year. Every year increment is going on. Okay, so after 4 years his salary is this. After 10 years the salary is this. So we have to find the original salary and yearly income. So same thing we have to go. We have two different things. We can take two variables, right? So let the original salary of Sanjay be X and yearly income be Y. Okay, first condition they had given. What is that? According to first condition. According to first condition. Okay, what is my first condition is given? After 4 years his salary is 4,500. So yearly salary X yearly increment 4 years के बाद हुआ means 4y equals to 4,500. That is my first equation. Now I will go for my second condition. So according to second condition. Okay students, what is the second condition? See, the after 10 years, so salary is X and 10 years means 10y equals to 5,400. Okay, so that is my equation number 2. Now see, I have already X and X terms are already equal and I am similar sign, so I will go for subtracting. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Simple statement you should write 1 and 2. So what is my first equation number 1? X plus 4y equals to 4,500. X plus 10y equals to 5,400. What I have to do? Subtract. So change the sign. Leave one line. Okay. Now that will be happen. Cancel. Plus minus 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 करो आपको minus 6x मिलेगा because bigger number sign minus 6y minus this one 14 minus 5 that is 9. Okay. So y equals to 900 divided by minus 900 divided by minus 6. Minus minus can cancel. What we going to do? 6 ones are 6, 3 carry, 6 5s are 30, 6 0s are 0. So I will go here. So therefore y is equal to 150. Okay. Now if I get y, I can remove the value of x also. So I will go to write substituting the value of y equals to 50 in equation number 1. I have two equations, you can put in anywhere. So my first equation is that is x plus 4y equals to 4,500. So where I have y, I will put 4 into 150 is equals to 4,500. X equals to 4 0s are 0, 4 5s are 22, carry 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. Okay. Now what I will do? I will put x here only and I will take plus 6x to the right hand side and become minus 600. So 15 minus 6, that should be how much? 3900, right? 15, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 4500 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9, right? So x I got 3500. So now we have to find the, what we have to find the original salary. Therefore write the statement compulsory. Original salary of Sanjay is, original salary हमने x ली है, that is 3900 rupees, okay? And yearly increment, बताओ yearly increment कितना है इसका? y ना, y की वैल्यू कितनी मिली? I have got 150. The yearly increment is 150. Understood? Come on, do it fast. Done? Now we will see the next question, number 5. Okay? Our last question, remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is omitted from your syllabus, so you have to don't do. Okay? Done? Now we will go for the question number 6. The price of 3 chair and 2 tables 4500, price of 5 chair and 3 tables 7000 rupees. Find the price of 2 chair and 2 tables. And a means you have to plus. Okay? Now student, now question number 6. Now we have two different objects, that is chair and table. So we will going to take, let the price of chair, I will take one chair, be x rupees, and the price of only one table you can write, that is y rupees. Now next we will go for the first condition. So write according to first condition. Okay, what is first condition beta? 3 chair means 3x, 2 table means 2y equals to 4500 rupees. That is our first condition. Okay, now according to, see, always you can see I am writing the full form of everything. Okay, now price of 5 chair and 3 tables. So 5 chair 5x, 3 tables means 3y equals to 7000. So that is my equation number 2. Now student, x also I don't have similar term, y also I don't have similar term. So now what I do? I will multiply my equation number 1 and equation number 2 of any of the variable 2 और 3 आप किसी का भी कर लो, y variables हम equal कर देंगे. So now I will multiply this equation by 3, so I will get 6y. I will multiply this equation as 2, so I will get 6y. So y terms get equal. Okay. So now we will get 2 more equation. So go by step, multiplying equation number 1 by 3. So 3 3s are 9x plus 3 2s are 6y. 3 0s are 0, 3 0 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So that is my equation number 3. Done? Now again I have to write the statement. See, दोनों statement एक में नहीं लिखना, you have to write different statement and go for the equation. Okay, now I will multiply equation number 2 by 2. So my second equation is this. 2 5s are 10. plus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 2 7s are 14, 0 0 0. So that is my fourth equation. Done. Now see, my 6y are equal. Now and my similar sign is there, so I will be subtracting. Now subtracting, I will not go to see equation number 1 and 2 right now. So subtracting equation 3 and 4. Okay. Now my third equation is 9x plus 6y equals to 13,500. Now my fourth equation is 10x plus 6y is equal to 14,400. Change the sign. So what happens? This will be get cancelled. Minus I will get minus 1x is equal to minus 500. Minus minus can cancel. So x is equal to, I get the value of x as 500. Now when I get the value of x, I can take the value of y by substituting the value of x equals to 500 in. I have now 4 equations, right? So now we can put in any of the equation the value of x. I will put in equation number 1. Okay, that's the easy one. Put it. So that is 3x plus 2y equals to 4,500. So therefore 3 into 500 plus 2y equals to 4,500. 3 5s are 15 equals to 2y. Now what my rule is that we will take all the number one side. When changing the number, we have to change the sign also. Plus will become minus. So minus 15x. So 2y is equal to, I got 3,000. Now multiplication will become divide. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 1 carry, 2 5s are 2 zeros are. So therefore the value of y I got 1500. Now what they ask? They ask the price of 2 chair and 2 tables. So therefore you should write there the price of 2 chair, come on, and 2 tables means plus 2 tables. Okay, I am continuing here, beta. See, 2 into that equals the sign 2 into the price of x is I got 500 and table I had taken y. Y की price क्या है? 1500. 2 5s are 10. 3. So therefore 400 rupees. List, not a last. You have to write the statement. Direct statement you write. The price of 2 chair and 2 table is 4,000 rupees. Done. So by ending of this question, we had completed our algebra syllabus. So student, from next lecture we will meet for the geometry. By the time complete your book and I will inform when you have to bring your books. Okay. So take care. Allah Hafiz.